Obitha a ministry ya githomo na aria a kanju ya igeranio bururi-ini mauma mihango-ini imwe ya gutigirira ati mehariria ma igeranio cia bururi ni makinyaniru. Magitongorio ni Mwandiki mukaru Belio Kipsang na Professor George Magoha, obitha acio maroria aciari na arutani mahe arutwo mweke wa guthoma. Gukiri uguo, aciari na arutani ni mararirikanio ati gutire na magongona o mothe ma gutabanio macukuru-ini ta mahoya kana gucerera ciana tamu-ini ino.
We want to make it very clear. A school or a center that will be found out to have exposed an examination before the due time will have that center cease to be an examination center and become a scene of crime.
Magoha augite magutabania birigiceni guothe bururi-ini niguo matigirire igeranio cia bururi igwikwo rungu wa ugitiri. Oho akiuga gutire na ndariri cia wici wa kigeranio giki, no ni aroria aciari na arimu metheme na andu aria marendia igeranio cia maheni. Ni arahurana na muhuhu uria urathiururuka ati ruhonge ruru rutire na mbeca njiganu cia gutabania igeranio.
We as parents are the ones who are encouraging irregularity in the examination school because we have schedules of people who have paid money. You are paying money for what? So that your child will be given an exam. Which exam is he going to buy? Because we have told you, if you don't believe us, wait and look at the results.
Oho, munene wa borithi kuma Nairobi augite ni mehariria na njira ciothe na kwina maofitha a kuigana a kugitira igeranio.
Enough security is there. By doing this, we have been able to even engage all security agencies, armed security agencies, including the prison services. They'll be part of the process.
Ino no imwe ya ceceni magana mana ma 59 wothe bururi-ini cia kuiga igeranio na atongoria aya makura frigiceni niguo matigirira ati kigeranio kia mwaka uyu ni kiri na ugitiri wa kuigana. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma county ya Nairobi, Githomo Muthoni.